So welcome back guys, and today in this video we are learning Python time modules. Python time module helps you work with time. You can get the current time, pause your program and measure how long things take. Before everything, we need to type import time. That will import the time module in your program. Let's see an example. Let's get the current time. Let's get the current time since 1970. Let's see. So we'll make a variable, assign the time.time function to it, then we'll print that variable. Let us see. Current time is 1768888 or anything. This is the time since 1970. 1 January. Let's pause the program for 2 seconds. Or anytime you want. So we can pause this by simply using time.sleep program, time.sleep function. Let's see, 1, 2, then waiting, bruh. Okay, after that is done, let's move to the next example. How to get the current time in a readable format. Readable. It's actually kinda readable. Yes, it's kinda. Let's see actually what is it. Let's run it. It will output something like this. With the year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds, then the weekday, that is 4, and then the year day, which is 16, and what is this? It's a date? I guess it's a boolean in a string format. Let's move to next. Let's format the date and time as a readable string. It's now this time fully readable. Let's see. So we will use the current time. We'll make a variable and assign local time and strf time on it. That will print sometime 9:45 p.m. We can add many things here, like let me add percentage seconds. These are just placeholders. 34. We can also make it 24 clock hours. It's 21. GG's. But I like my style by just removing S and making the HI. Like, isn't that good? 9:45 p.m. And that's the date and time format thing. Let's move to measure how long the task is taking. Let's see it. So we will use a variable and use the time.perf counter variable. After that, we'll simulate some work. Then we will make an end variable with time.perf function. Then we'll go print that by subtracting end and start. Let's see. Wait, what's happening? Okay. Let's see how long a 1 second sleep takes. Just kidding, it's actually not 1 second, it's 1.000544. Let's do this for 2. Same, it's not 2, it's 2.00026. Let's do something else. Print ABC. ABC took 0.0002222 seconds to load. And alright everybody, this is Python time modules. So if you like the video, so make sure to smash that blue button, I mean the white button and the red button. Goodbye.